and dear members of the German Chamber of Commerce, and ladies and gentlemen, good evening, guten Abend. My name is Ehsan Sharif. I am the Managing Director and founder of company Infocore. I was very much looking forward to be with you in my lovely hometown of Bangalore, but due to the changes with COVID rules, I could not travel from Germany to India. But been happy and glad to record this message for you for today evening. Today I would like to share my experience, our journey in setting up an engineering IT company in India, then following this path in Germany with special focus on Industry 4.0. And I would also like to proudly share and touch base upon some of the opportunities for many of the startups. I believe a lot of you are interested to know what's happening in Germany and especially in respect to Industry 4.0. So about company Infocore, we started our journey from Bangalore with focus with partnership together with Siemens Digital Industry Software on prime goal of helping companies to achieve Industry 4.0. After being recognized as the best partner of Siemens Digital Industry Software, especially in the PLM space in India, we decided to extend our support and bring the same offering to the German market in early 2015-2016. This is where our help from the Invest in Bavaria, I think John Kotial is also part of this panelist. Thank you, John, for your wonderful support. We were able to set up our first office in the beautiful Bavarian city, Nuremberg. From there on, we have been working and moving globally, setting up offices in Dallas, Dubai, and also further offices in India and Pune. The main goal and focus has been, as I mentioned, Industry 4.0. I see a big potential in this space, especially because companies are trying to look to be more agile, both in their engineering and manufacturing space. There has been a lot of challenge to be bringing new products in less time, to produce more from available resources, and also to spread globally for all the companies in business. Germany, as you know, has the big companies, of course, the big major giants in various fields like automotive, manufacturing, and related industries. But Germany's main backbone has been their Mittelstand, or what we call as SMEs, small and medium enterprises. And it's, of course, very important to focus on SMEs if you would like to succeed in Germany. As these companies are very active, they are very open to, most of them are open to accept change, and they are much more agile than the bigger ones. So there is a big potential here because these companies are now looking to go in the direction of Industry 4.0. They would like to carry their legacies, which have been for many years, but with the new acceptance and adoption of technology. Infocore has been actively working as a Siemens partner also in Germany, promoting Industry 4.0, both on the engineering and manufacturing space, and especially with focus on bringing this complex solutions on cloud, which is mostly asked for. And if you see the landscape of Germany and the landscape of India, there is definitely a huge potential for Indian companies, especially offering IT, because there is a big dearth of qualified, experienced IT engineers in Germany, which I believe can be addressed by a big resource availability of India. Infocore has been doing this very well by having a mixed teams, which is very important because in Germany you need local teams, and Infocore believes in thinking global but acting local. Hence, you will always need a strong German team followed by a very strong team behind in India supporting with the delivery. I believe there is this gap which needs to be addressed, and if startups or companies who look forward in addressing this gap or this bridge will definitely profit from this approach. From the challenges perspective, we also had our own challenges. We have challenges, especially in hiring local talent, especially if you come as a foreign company in Germany and if you would like to hire good local experts, even from universities where they have option with very big names to start working. So you need to make it very attractive to them that they can join your company. Going forward, there will also be challenges when it comes to finding the right partners. This is definitely, you have the German Chamber, you have Investment Bavaria, you have the other agencies in today's meeting who can be a very crucial partner for you to introduce you to the right companies or right partners, especially when it comes to topics like taxes, auditing, and recruitment, for example. They definitely will help you to provide the right contacts and the right network. And then there are also other challenges like to get the visas on time. And this, of course, also has to be considered when you are planning to bring the right colleagues to Germany. Having said that, I'm very happy that we were able to make this move, and I'm looking forward to continue our journey in supporting SMEs and the bigger companies in Germany and in India and globally on this path of Industry 4.0. Though I could not personally attend this event, my colleagues from Infocore are here in this forum. Please feel free to reach out to them. You can always reach out to me through email or through mobile if you need any assistance from my side. Thank you very much and wishing a nice evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ehsan. And so we had a very engaging panel before us.